Old train tunnel out here. I think it's what it is. I don't see any train tracks or anything, but I've been coming out here for years, and nobody ever told me about this. I don't know what it is. I'm gonna walk up in here and look. It's pretty cool. I don't know what it is. It's old. I know that much. Real old.